Yo, what's up, guys? That was the most cringiest intro I've ever done. So I'm starting a YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Yeah, basically, I just create short, shorts and videos. This is my first video, and this is gonna be a short. Granny, you stupid little. Granny. Yeah, Granny. Give me the dentures. Timmy. Granny. Bro, okay. Granny, if you turn on this radio, bro, you're very stupid, bro.
你要给房这块面，
这是睡觉房。Stupid. 为啥佛是放小费 ？Oh man, shit, yo. Stupid little. Come here, Granny. I want your dentures. I'm gonna knock you out. Sorry, your dentures are gonna fall out, Granny. I'm not joking. I'm a little kitty short and stout. I'm a mister.
要盖这块面，
Wait, can't find short for me. What are you gonna do? Come here. Granny, give me your dentures. Open up wide. I said open up wide, fat. Now I'm a little kitty short and spout. Why I'm with you? Not it. Granny, stop. Yeah. Granny, have you ever realized that you should get a boyfriend? Cause yeah, damn. That's why. Push out. So Granny wants to have a little frying pan battle. Let's see. Come here, Granny. Alright, baby, let's fight. Come on now.
Затраска.
I got her dentures out, bro. Retard. I'm sorry. Granny, move! So freaking fat, man. Hey. Pick up your dentures when you get. No! I tried. Granny, you was a bit. Come here, Granny. You made me mad. What's up? Bit. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Granny, I hope you know you're freaking stupid. Come on, let's fight. Come on. You stupid. What's she gonna do, huh? Come here. I'm gonna smack. What the f... Does it look nice on me? What the... You took my glasses? Stupid little... Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here.
You get far from me.
Shut your... Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Can I just want to get up. Granny, you're ruining my outro. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it here. This is my first video.
You get far from me.
Just remember to like, subscribe, comment what you want me to play next. We got, I'll show you the games. We got Gorilla Tag, Gorn, Among Us, Quick Beat Saber, and Physics. So just tell me what you wanna see next, and I'll play it. Those games. So, what's up, booyah, watch out. Some outro music. Don't make fun of me.